Hi everyone, I'm Asma Shaiflu, and in this video I will teach you how to create and design the Wheel of Life content using PowerPoint. I previously shared this on my Instagram page, and first let's take a look at the final output. I'd appreciate it if you could support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel and activating the bell icon next to it so you will be notified whenever I release a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please like it and share your thoughts about this tutorial in the comments section. This helped me understand whether this video was helpful for you or not. Let's get into the tutorial to learn how to create this engaging trick in PowerPoint. Let's see how the PowerPoint template for this trick was created. The wheel of life you saw in the output consists of 8 segments, but the project is made using 10 slides. Essentially, each time the motion graphic has a rotating circle, a slide is switched. What I did was change the position of the circle in each slide. This can also be done using the spin animation. If you are using the 2019 version of PowerPoint, you can use the morph transition for this, eliminating the need for the spin animation. But why do we have 10 slides despite the circle having only 8 segments? This is because we need 2 additional slides, one for the starting slide and one for the ending slide. The reason for this is that the beginning and end of the motion graphic remain on the screen longer. So I had to add an extra slide at the start and one at the end of the motion graphic. All the graphic elements you see in this video can be downloaded from FreePig. To give you a better perspective, let me zoom out a bit. I first downloaded the background image for this project from FreePig and edited it using Adobe Illustrator. Typically, files downloaded from FreePig come in AI and EPS format. I will open the folder I downloaded from FreePig to show you in more detail. First, I downloaded this design from FreePig and customized it according to my needs. When you open the downloaded folder, you will see 2 editable files with AI and EPS extensions. Both files can be opened in Adobe Illustrator, where you can edit them. Adobe Illustrator is a vector-based graphic design software that you can install and use for designing your presentation slides as well. And in this video, I will highlight every Illustrator tip necessary for slide design. I opened the AI file in Illustrator and now I will remove any elements I don't need to make the design cleaner. If you open a downloaded FreePik design in Illustrator and right-click on the design but don't see the ungroup option, you can use release clipping mask. This will release the mask on your design and then you can right-click, choose Ungroup and delete any unnecessary elements using the delete key on your keyboard to simplify your design. I removed the unnecessary elements and kept only the parts I wanted to write on. I didn't want the design to look crowded. Once I simplified the design, I exported it using the File Export option under Save as Type. I selected JPEG. I then used the exported file as the slide background in PowerPoint. Since I wanted to post the output video on my Instagram page, I set the slide size to a 1:1 ratio. After adding the background image, I included the required text and the background music track. There is no need to add animations to the text for this project. In the Playback tab for the audio, I set the Start option to automatically and check the Play Across Slides box to ensure the background audio plays across all slides. No special animation is required for the first and last slides. Method 1. If you are using the 2019 version of PowerPoint with Morph transition support, simply adjust the circle's position in each slide by rotating it 45 degrees. Why 45 degrees? Because the circle needs to rotate in 8 directions, and using 45-degree increments ensures precise and accurate results. For instance, the third slide should display the second segment of the Wheel of Life to the viewer. To achieve this, duplicate the previous slide, right-click the slide and select Duplicate Slide, then manually rotate the circle by 45 degrees. Next, add the necessary icons which can be downloaded from Flat Icon, and finally add the text, ensuring both the icons and text are placed below all other elements in the layout. To position icons and text precisely, if the circle design obstructs your adjustments, you can use the selection pane to temporarily hide the circle by clicking the eye icon. Once adjustments are complete, re-enable the circle. Repeat this process for all slides. Rotate the circle by 45 degrees, adjust icons and text, and complete the setup for the final slide. Once all slides are ready, select them, apply the Move transition, and set the after timing to your preferred duration. If exporting the project as a video, uncheck the almost click option. That's it, your project is complete. And method 2. If you are not using the 2019 version of PowerPoint, rotate the circle by 45 degrees for each slide. Then use the spin animation, open the animation pane, and as you can see, the only animation used is a spin located under emphasis animations. In the effect options, set the amount to 45 degrees in your desired direction, clockwise or counterclockwise. And for added visual appeal, you can also use transitions like fade. No animations are necessary for the first and last slides. Finally, I'd explain how I created the circle design. The circle design was derived from a FreePic project opened in Illustrator. I ungrouped the design, removed unnecessary elements, exported as a PNG, and used it in my slides. I also created the circle design using PowerPoint's built-in shape tools. First, I draw a circle and apply the fill color. You can use gradients as well. For the central part, I draw a smaller circle inside the larger one, aligned both using align center and align middle, then combine them using the merge shapes and combine option. For other parts, you can use shapes like chord. To cut it diagonally, draw a rectangle, position it as needed, then use merge shapes and subtract. Using PowerPoint's merge shapes, you can create any design you like.